Hello friends, my name is Sufyan. Welcome to the EvoTech channel. Friends, in today's video I will show you how you can run ads on TikTok if you have your own website, and if you want to take more traffic to your website you can use the TikTok ads options here. Friends, you can see here that there are different kind of objectives on your dashboard, and friends, I will discuss you every object in the upcoming videos, but in today's videos I will discuss you about the website conversion ad. And you just click on the website conversion ad. You can take any kind of campaign name here for your record. I will give the test ad campaign name here. Friends, now you can see the split test option here. This is just like the Facebook A/B testing, and similarly you can also see the campaign budget optimization and set campaign budget. Friends, all these three options are the advanced options. Right now you are at the beginner level, and I will recommend you just ignore all these three options and click on the continue option here. Now again you can give any kind of group name here for your records. Now you can see the website option here. Now you can select the pixels which you have been installed on your website before starting this ad. So I have just select the pixels which I have been installed on my website. I have select that website here. Now you can see the optimization event. So there are different optimization events which you have been seen here, but at the beginner level, when you have starting and when you have launching the campaign, you will optimize your campaign on the view content. So I will select the view content option here. In the next option you can see the placement option here. There are two different options which you have been seen. One is automatic placement, and one I will recommend the manual placement. So I will just click on the TikTok option here. Now you can see the advanced setting here. Friends, you can see there are three options here: user comments, video download, and video sharing. Friends, if you want to take the better results for your ads, so it is recommended that you should on your user comments, video download, and video sharing. All these three options should be on the on option. You should on all these three options. Friend, now you can see the creative type here. If you on this option and you have been uploaded multiple creatives for your ad, TikTok algorithm will automatically optimize that videos which is going well, which got the more engagement from the clients. TikTok will optimize that video between all the creatives. So it is also recommended, if you have the multiple creatives, you should on this optimization. If you have only one creative, then you don't need to add this option here. Now next option you can see the targeting option here. There are two options here: automatic targeting and custom targeting. Friends, it is recommended that you will select your own custom audience according to your product. Friends, here you will first of all select your location. There are all countries which you have been seen in the drop down menu. You can select your country or your targeted country here. Friend, now you can see the languages option here. If you have any kind of product which is specifically for such those persons which are speaking the specific language, you can also use this option. Now you can also select the gender and age options here according to your product. Friend, you can see the audience option here. You can also include or exclude some audience according to your choice. Friend, you can use these options at that time when you are going to launch look-like audience. So at the beginner level you should ignore this option, audience option here. So you can see the interest and behavior option here. This is the most important part of the TikTok ads. Friends, you can see here TikTok recommended you some interests according to your pixels, according to your portfolio. But it is also recommended that you should create your own audience. You should create your own interest. You should click on the add interest option here. It is also recommended that you will go to the general interest option here. Here you can click on this option. You can see the different options here: tech and electronics, household items, food, games. There are many options you can see here. You can also click on the arrow option here. You can see also some more sub menu options and some sub interest. You can also see the sub interest in the drop down menu here. So you should select your interest according to your product. So I will click on the food and beverages option here. Similarly, friends, you can also add the behaviors, video interactions here. You can see the different options here, and you can use all these options according to your need. See the next option which is related to the creative interactions. You can also select the option according to your own need. Similarly, you can also use the audience which is using the different hashtags. Now friends, the next option is devices. Friends, you can see that by default it is selected on the operating system on the all options here. Now friends, you can see the targeting expansion here. If you on this option, and if you have the select some interest, which I have been selected food and beverages, and if I will also on this option, then my product will also shows to the those person which are not related to the food and beverages. So it is also recommended that you should also on the targeting expansion here for getting the more results, for getting the better results. Now you can see the next option, which is related to the budget and schedules. You can also select the daily budget option here, and if you are interested to select the lifetime budget, and if you are allocating the lifetime budget, you can also select this option here. Similarly, you can also run the ads in the specific time duration. I will click on the all day option here and go to the next option. You can see the bidding and optimization option here. So it is recommended that your optimization goal should be the conversion. So I will select the conversion option here. Friend, now you can see the bid strategy and advanced options here. You don't need to use these options for the better results, and you should ignore bidding and optimization option here, and you just click straightforward on the next option here. And similarly, you can also give the ad name here according to your choice for your record. And now you can see the identity option here. When you are going to launch the website conversion ad, you don't need to use this option because this option is for the Spark ads. Right now, you don't need to use this option here. Now friends, you can see the custom identity option here. Friends, you can write your website name here or your brand name here. After selecting the identity, you will go to the creative option here. Friends, now you will upload your video, your creatives here. You will just click on the upload option here. Upload your video from your laptop. And you can see here that my video has been uploaded successfully here, and you can see my creative here. And this is the preview option. You can see that your audience will see your ads just like this. This is the preview of your ad. Friends, if you have the multiple creatives, you will click on this option, copy this content here. You will go to the update option here, and similarly you will upload the second creatives from your laptop here. So at the moment I have the only one creative, so I will delete the second creative here. Friend, now you can also select the text here, which is called smart text. For example, my product is for the sale product. I have right here sale up to 50%. You can see that your smart text is showing on your ad. You can see here sale up to 50% ad. Similarly, now you will give your website URL here, which is your landing page. You will give your website URL here. Now friends, you can click on the customized call to action text here. You will click on the edit option here, and you will select on the standard option here. Friend, now you can see the different options here in the drop down menu here. So you will select the option according to your product. So I will select on the shop now option here, and you can see that shop now option is showing here on my ad. And if you want to run ads from myself, my WhatsApp number is available in the description. You can contact with me. Friend, now you can see the different options tracking option here. You will ignore this option. You don't need to use this option right now. You just click on the submit option. Your ad will goes to the in review, and after 5 to 10 minutes your ad will start to run automatically. Friends, hopefully I am sure that you will understand everything. Even after that, you have any question, you can contact through WhatsApp, and if you want to run ads from myself, you can contact through my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the description. Thank you for watching.